Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some parrot steamed fish with some drumstick. I already went ahead and seasoned the drumstick. For my new subscriber, if you guys don't know, I use all-purpose seasoning, black pepper seasoning, sea salt, and I use some Old Bay seasoning, both a little in the fish and the chicken, and I also use the Maggi season up for fish. This it's Maggi. I know the container is not, but what's in it is Maggi. So stay tuned guys, like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below, and thank you for you guys support. I'm very grateful. Okay guys, so I just started. This is where we are. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. And did I already say thank you guys for watching? Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Okay guys, so this is my blended season. What you're looking at right now is the onion, the scallion with some pimento. I will put extra, but I like to do it like this. You don't put this when you're frying the fish. For those who are just learning how to cook, this is only when you're making steamed fish or if you're baking it. Stay tuned. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is where we are. I'll come back with an update. Very soon, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm back again. So I'm about to cook the cornmeal. I'm gonna cook it in some coconut milk. I use 1 cup of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to add water to it. For those who don't know, you don't want to add too much water, but just enough. So stay tuned and I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm about to add the cornmeal. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Okay lovely, so this is it. Okay guys, so this is it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below. Thank you for watching and take care. Stay safe.